Active Lane Management, or ALM, is a feature that helps you avoid unintentionally departing your lane. ALM is not a lane centering system. ALM uses a forward-looking camera to monitor your position within the lane and will provide steering assistance if you begin to leave the lane without using your turn signal. ALM also uses the blind spot monitoring sensors to detect vehicles in neighboring lanes, and it can provide steering assistance to help you avoid collision with these vehicles, even if you use your turn signal. You can configure many aspects of ALM in the Uconnect settings, including the type of assist between corrective steering assistance, haptic steering wheel vibration, or both, the strength of the steering assistance, the strength of the haptic steering wheel vibration, and the sensitivity of the assistance. Sensitivity affects how close you can drive to the edge of the lane before the system will provide correction. To turn the system on or off, push the Active Lane Management button on the center stack. An Active Lane Management message will appear in the instrument cluster display informing you whether the system has been turned on or off. You can also check the status using the LED light on the button or with the lane lines graphic in the instrument cluster. The status of ALM can always be seen by viewing the lane lines graphic on the driver assistance page of the cluster or in the ADAS telltale. When lane lines are gray, the system is on but not active. When a lane line turns green, ALM is ready to provide assistance on the green line. A yellow lane line means that ALM is actively providing assistance. A yellow flashing lane line means that you are crossing the lane line. ALM works with the blind spot system to track vehicles in the neighboring lane and will provide steering assistance to help prevent leaving the lane towards other vehicles, even if your turn signal is activated. You can override the steering assist at any time by applying increased steering force to the steering wheel. ALM requires hands on the wheel at all times in order to function. In order for the system to detect your hands, you may be prompted to apply light steering force to the steering wheel periodically if you are driving on a straight road that doesn't require much steering to maintain the lane. ALM can detect a variety of lane markings, but performance may be limited on faded lane markings, road edges, tar strips, or in construction zones. ALM will also have reduced availability when driving into direct sun or in poor weather conditions. Never rely on ALM as a substitute for active driver attentiveness. Use extra caution in areas with narrow lanes or ambiguous lane markings, such as construction zones. ALM is designed to reduce driver annoyance by reducing the amount of steering assistance provided during slow departures from the lane, as well as when driving in a curve and approaching the inner lane line. This is normal behavior. ALM is designed to help you avoid departing your lane. It is not designed to keep your vehicle centered in the lane. If equipped, a separate feature called Active Driving Assist performs the lane centering and adaptive cruise control function. Active Driving Assist is independent from ALM, and ALM will be suppressed while ADA is in use. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.